Hi everyone, welcome to CUIN 3111, which is Educational Technology for Elementary Teachers. My name is Lydia-Oluchi and I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. So before we begin, I would like to walk you through Blackboard and show you the course layout and what to look forward to as we embark on the semester. So first of all, I am going to walk you through Blackboard. So on Blackboard, you have the syllabus, which I would like you to go through. So if you click here, you're going to see the course syllabus. And I would like you on the syllabus to pay particular attention to the attendance and the participation activity because there are some differences for the online class to the face-to-face class. So make sure that you look at the online course format. That is something you need to pay attention to. And the attendance and participation and submission deadlines. But I'd like you to go through the entire syllabus, but please pay attention to these three items, very important. Now, if you go back to Blackboard, you also can see a course roadmap. Now, you shouldn't be confused if you see that, okay, the course roadmap is repeating stuff that's already on the syllabus. So what it is a list of the deadlines that you have for the semester. Because for this class, you're going to have assignments due about every 2 weeks. And we have about one assignment that's due just on a weekly basis. But most of our assignments are due every 2 weeks. And this is the course roadmap, and it shows you all the due dates for the various assignments. So I would encourage you to put it on your calendar so that you are not missing any of the assignments and give yourself a reminder. Okay, so this is the syllabus, and this is where you're going to find the weekly content. So every Sunday, the assignment, the class activity for the week is going to be made available on Blackboard. So you can see for this week, you have week 1, which is the introduction to the class and building a Google portfolio. So you can come to the weekly content every week, and it's going to have the full tutorial on how to do the assignment for the week and how to do the class activity for the week. And the other thing that you also need to take note of, very importantly, is that for the online class, you're going to have a weekly participation activity, and everything is explained in the syllabus. Now, the weekly participation activity counts for your attendance. So during the semester, you have 15 points for attendance. You get 15 points for attendance, and each week you attend a class, it's 1 point. So each week, instead of attending a face-to-face class, you're going to do a discussion. You're going to engage in an online discussion, which you're going to find on the discussion board. If you look at this week, you can see we've already have a weekly participation activity, which is you introducing yourself to the class and to the instructor, and that is going to carry 1 point. So you need to complete that every week. And if you miss the deadline is going to be on the Sunday. So it's going to be made available on a Sunday, and then you need to post it by the following Sunday. And if you miss out on the deadline, then it counts. Even if you submit it late, it counts as a 0 because you need to submit it within the deadline. So that's something you need to take note of. Now, let me go through the weekly content. So every week I am going to send you an email on Mondays and let you know what to look forward to, what we're working on for the week as a reminder, but everything is always on Blackboard. In addition, I will be adding some PowerPoints to Blackboard, so the weekly content. So if you look at this week, week 1, the weekly content, if you come to the bottom of the page, I put it at the bottom of the page so you have time to go through the content, and whatever I'm referring to on the PowerPoint, you're familiar with it. It doesn't seem confusing to you. But if you get to the bottom of the page, you are going to see a participation activity, and additional resources. And what you need to do is read through. And then I also have a slide here which you can access and go through just to make sure that you're covering everything that needs to be covered for the week. So let me briefly talk to you about what we're going to be doing this week. So throughout this course, the purpose of this course basically is to help you develop tools that you can use in your future classroom, technology tools that you can use to help your students enhance their learning, to learn better, basically. And so what we are going to be doing is we are going to build an online portfolio, and this is what it's going to look like. So this online portfolio is where you display the skills, the competencies, the knowledge that you have as a future educator. And just assume that this is something that you would show to an employer, to a future employer. And so every week, we are going to give you a particular competency that we need you to work on. So for instance, let me show you one of the domains. There are various domains with various competencies. For instance, at some point you will be asked to show that you understand student diversity and how to plan learning experiences that meet the diverse needs of your students. And so you'll need to fill in this section here. But for this week, all you need to do is create this portfolio, and you're going to do that on Google. It's called Google Sites, and all the information is listed in the week 1 material under week 1. So you just need to create this portfolio this week and submit when you are done creating your portfolio. Of course, everything is contained in the weekly content for the week. You need to share and get a link. So you're going to share your portfolio. You are going to get a link, which will look something like this, which you are going to copy, and you are going to post it to Blackboard. But that's just a one-off submission. So you only need to submit the link to your portfolio to Blackboard once, and that is for this week, week 1. Everything will be contained in the next assignment, how to submit to Blackboard. But you just need to submit your portfolio link to Blackboard once, and all subsequent assignments, you just need to come to your portfolio and fill in the section that's been detailed. So on Blackboard, it will tell you which section you need to complete for the week, and you just need to come in and complete it. Like you can see, I've completed one section, and I, as the instructor, I will just go to, I already have the link to your portfolio. I'll just go in and make sure that you completed the section, and that's how it's going to be graded. So you don't need to upload your link to Blackboard several times, just once for the first assignment, and that will be it. Please get in touch with me if you have any questions or there's anything you don't understand about the course. And so that's it. I'm trying to keep this screencast very brief, but please get in touch with me, as I said, and I wish you a great semester ahead and look forward to working with you.